Pete, so you haven't ate yet. Here I'm using a can of canned peat of 400 grams, and I will separate 4 peas. Once that's done, set aside next door. In a blender, add the rest of the peas. 200 grams of sour cream, 400 grams of condensed milk, 1 lemon juice, Now cover and let beating everything very well. Now you can turn off. And now on a platter add the chopped separate peas into smaller pieces. On top add the mixture that was beat in the blender. Refrigerate until hardened. Our peat mousse is ready. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. If you prefer, you can add gelatin and the consistency will be much firmer. The taste is amazing. It doesn't get too sweet. Make it going to be a success. This was another little recipe from the Puro in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.